Ever wondered how the companies from different sectors like IT, e-commerce, finance, or marketing manage their organizational goals or design marketing strategies? They do so with the help of platforms like Azure, which provides users flexibility to use their tools and technologies. These companies use Azure for different purposes like app development and hosting, data analytics, Internet of Things, etc. on the basis of pay as you go model. जी हाँ, आज हम बात करेंगे आईटी से रिलेटेड एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक की, जिसका नाम है Azure, and we'll try to understand about it in detail. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने बदलते वक्त की ज़रूरत के हिसाब से 2010 में Azure नाम के एक क्लाउड शेयरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म की शुरुआत की। Azure की डिफरेंट क्लाउड सर्विसेज से यूजर्स अपने डेटा या कंटेंट को बिना किसी मुश्किल के ऑनलाइन स्टोर या एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। Almost 500 Fortune companies are using and benefiting from Azure-based cloud services, making their business grow and prosper at a rapid pace. Moving forward, we can say that as the usage of cloud computing is increasing rapidly, two major platforms that are dominating this space are Amazon Work Services and Azure. Azure being the second in the list after AWS. Azure being a cloud service provides range of services to users like compute, analytics, storage, network that helps users to develop or scale new applications or run existing applications in the public cloud. Now let us have a look at different services of Azure. Azure एक public cloud computing platform है जो users को different solutions जैसे कि infrastructure as a service IaaS, platform as a service PaaS and software as a service SaaS प्रोवाइड करता है और इसे हम अलग अलग सर्विसेज सच एज एनालिटिक्स, वर्चुअल कंप्यूटिंग, स्टोरेज, नेटवर्किंग में यूज करते हैं। आइए अब नजर डालते हैं Azure की कुछ हाइलाइट्स या एडवांटेजेस पर। इट कीप्स यूजर्स पॉकेट इन कंसिडरेशन by making them pay only for the services they opt for. Another interesting thing to take note is that Azure provides accessibility to multiple languages like Java, Node.js C#, .NET. Autoscale is a feature built into Azure web apps that adjusts users' resources, that is, scale in and scale out, automatically based on customers' web traffic so that users can avail the resources when traffic is high and also save money in non-peak times. अब Azure के कुछ important functions को देखते हैं और इन्हें समझने की कोशिश करते हैं। Computing. These services enable a user to deploy and manage VMs, containers, and batch jobs, as well as support remote application access. Networking. This group includes virtual networks, dedicated connections, as well as services for traffic management and diagnostics, load balancing, DNS hosting, and network protection. Data services. This category of services provides data services like scalable cloud storage for structured and unstructured data through SQL or NQSL. It also supports big data projects, persistent storage, and archival storage. Application services. Azure App Service is an HTTP-based service for hosting web applications, REST APIs, and mobile backends. It adds the power of Microsoft Azure to applications such as security, load balancing, auto-scaling, and automated management. Let's compare Azure with other cloud services. While all three main cloud services, AWA, Azure, and Google Cloud are capable of providing top-notch security and privacy, Azure outperforms Google Cloud in terms of security because of its Cloud Defender feature. One of Microsoft Azure's strengths and advantage is its global reach and availability. Besides that, there are plenty of tools to easily manage Azure cloud infrastructure. Compared to other services, Azure's pricing is a lot easier to understand. There's a billing section on its dashboard where you can see everything. Unlike AWS, where adding users and access to each account might be a bit complex, Azure maintains everything through a single directory. अब हम देखते हैं कि Azure Cloud Engineers क्या होते हैं और इसे बनने के लिए किन स्किल्स या क्वालिफिकेशंस की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है। टेक्निकल स्किल्स to check and assess company IT infrastructure so that it can be easily moved to the clouds, to oversee and maintain the migration process and system, performing duty of configuration management and disaster recovery, designing virtual networks that supports workloads with a high level of security and performance, configuring hybrid connectivity between Azure and on-site environments, monitoring network performance to comply with service level agreements. ये तो बात हुई टेक्निकल स्किल्स की। आइए अब देखते हैं कुछ मैनेजरियल या लीडरशिप स्किल्स जो Azure डेवलपर बनने में यूजफुल होती है। Passionate about driving new technology solutions, good communication and presentation skills, team player, having ability to interact with different team members, excellent documentation and analytical skills, ability to work in a challenging and demanding work environment, flexible to work in a multi-time zone environment. Friends, आज तो Azure developers की डिमांड है ही, बट आने वाले टाइम में इनकी डिमांड और भी ज्यादा इंक्रीज होने वाली है। तो इसमें कोई सरप्राइज की बात नहीं है कि इस फील्ड में एंट्री करने वाले कैंडिडेट्स का फ्यूचर बहुत ब्राइट और ल्यूक्रेटिव है। So on this optimistic note, let's end this video and we'll promise to come with interesting anecdotes and insights in our next video. Until then, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on our YouTube channel.